People think about how do you develop as a human versus when you're productive. You need to be productive. You need to get your tasks done. You need to set revenue goals. If you're going to really learn and develop, you need to hit the pause button, stop, leave, go read for an hour, take a course, do a team building activity, stop being productive, go develop yourself. I mean, I talked to learning leaders who told me, yeah, it's ironic, isn't it? We know that the best way people learn is when they're working, when they're putting it into practice. But we take new managers, we take them out of work, and we plop them in a course with only other managers. We teach them a lot of concepts. It's an information dump. They'll maybe remember 1% of all that you put that effort into teaching them because the brain can't handle that much. And then we go, plop, put them back into the wild. Like, now you have your team. Now you have all your complicated different people. Can you remember all the concepts? Can you actually start to change behavior now? No, you totally can't. And people think, oh my gosh, then we failed. The manager feels like I failed at learning, or the talent development people think I failed at teaching them effectively, when really it's not a spectrum. It's not you either learn best by stopping or you just don't learn at all so you can go and be productive. It's a 2x2. You actually want to be in that upper right quadrant of the 2x2 where you're being productive and you're developing. You're learning at the same time. And like I said, learning is just getting new information. Development is actually putting that information into action. And you can put it into action when you're in action, when you're being productive.
That's why exercises and breakout sessions and all those things are attempting to apply learnings.
And they're saying, I just taught you this information. Now apply it to your scenario. I've been in so many of those breakout rooms, and people really want to apply these concepts. And they've been game changing to me because I remember something and I say, oh my gosh, that's right. This is how I've been managing this person wrong. And there you go. I learned one really helpful concept and I applied it and it changed everything. But I forgot 99% of everything else.
So what you've done is just taken this interpersonal body of learning, and instead of the breakout session away from real work, you're just injecting it into real work. I didn't realize how brilliant your product was until just now.